What's on the deck for AI in 2023? It's no doubt that AI will continue its explosive growth so much so that the industry is expected to reach $42.4 billion in 2023. However, given the rapid pace of change, it's important to separate meaningful advancements from distracting fads. So today we're going to talk about top 5 AI tools to boost your business. Digital marketing is the wave of the present and the future. And if you own a business currently and are not on board the digital marketing, then you are losing a lot of potential business. Handling digital marketing for a business is not a simple task, as there are many aspects of digital marketing that are needed to be taken care of. However, there are a lot of AI marketing tools that are available in the market that can make your life simple. ChatGPT is a language generation model that uses machine learning to generate natural language text. ChatGPT is specifically designed for generating text-based answers or responses to questions asked to it, which are presented in a conversational style. It is used to create chatbots that can perform conversations that are natural, just as talking to another human being. One that gives you answers to all your questions. Yes, all but one that comes with less baggage. How can you use ChatGPT for your small business? So the first is the customer service. ChatGPT could be used to create a chatbot that helps customers with common questions and issues. Lead generation. What? Yes, you heard that right. For example, a chatbot can replace your engagement time on social media by providing automated lead sequences and capturing done-for-you leads that are ready to buy from your small business. Personalized marketing. Ever though someone could replace you to send personalized marketing messages to customers based on their past interactions with the small business automatically? If not, AI is here to help you. With ChatGPT, you can do just that and more. Social media management. We all know how important it is regularly engage with audiences to increase our daily followers, grow our brand reach, and build a community, right? ChatGPT can easily be used to create chatbots that help business manage their social media accounts by responding to comments and messages. E-commerce. ChatGPT could be used to create chatbots that assist customers with their online shopping experience by recommending products based on their activity on a website, and also answer questions for your customers, thus making it easy for you to build a relationship with a cold audience. If you value translation accuracy, DeepL is one of the best machine translation services that you will find, even beating out other popular services like Google Translate. The main downsides are that it has very limited coverage outside of European languages, and it can also be a little more expensive than other services depending on your needs. I am getting ahead of myself though, because the purpose of our DeepL review is to help you understand where those conclusions come from so that you can choose the right translation service for your personal needs or for translating your website. The best feature of DeepL is instantaneous and accurate translation of files and documents. If you are a business serving a global market, it is beneficial to offer accurate translations of your marketing content or copy. DeepL is a powerful AI tool that translates documents and files into several popular languages of your choosing. It not only translates the text word for word, but it adds subtle nuances and words that some of the biggest translation tools like Google and Microsoft have difficulty grasping. The end result is fluent text that is accurate and easy to read. Quillbot is a paraphraser tool. The philosophy is that you should focus on what you write, not how you should write it. It uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to rewrite content. So, whether you are creating new content for your website, writing a school paper, or summarizing articles, Quillbot is a practical option. It's accessible via a web browser and add-ons for Word, Chrome, and Google Docs. Why use Quillbot? Quillbot contains different modes you can use depending on your writing needs. A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but you don't need 1,000 words to create a picture. Now you only need a few. Midjourney and AI art generated from text has a right and is open for business. As of this writing, it has nearly 1 million members. This artificial intelligence art generator may change the way you create. Midjourney is a research lab that explores new mediums of thought. Their goal is to expand the imaginative powers of the human species. What we are talking about here is Midjourney's interactive bot. It uses machine learning to create pictures based on text. A bot is an autonomous program on the internet or another network that can interact with systems or users. The program appears to take concepts and make them a reality. Describe what you want to see. The Midjourney bot goes out and finds images that are like what you have described and combines them uniquely and artistically. What you get is more than a simple composite. Midjourney is an AI image creator. You get an entirely new creation. Semrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that offers a wide range of features, including positioning, tracking, content marketing, social media marketing, PPC, analytics, and more. Its position tracker allows businesses to track their keyword ranking against competitors and even see how they stack up against the top 100 sites in Google's organic or paid results. Another standout feature is its content marketing toolkit, which allows users to find trending topics and create content marketing plans. Overall, Semrush is a versatile tool that can help businesses improve their online presence and performance. So this is our list of the 5 best AI-powered marketing tools. AI marketing tools are nothing new, it's just that recently they have gotten really good and accessible, so much so that they are no longer considered a luxury, but more a necessity to leverage your efforts and skyrocket the progress of your business. If to talk about AI, AnyBiz has also this option to create working and responsive cold email to get as many as possible prospects. Sign up today and get 1 free reply.